Merry Christmas, guys, and happy holidays. Behind me is the famous Griswold house. No, not from the movie National Lampoon's. This Christmas house is actually located in La Mirada, California, in LA County. So this house is absolutely amazing, and it fits the theme of National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. They got like every scene from the movie. It's amazing. They got the sound effects, they got the station wagon, and that's amazing. They got the legit cars. Clark hanging off the roof. The police scene. It's insanely cool. The RV over there. It's so cool. There's even a little squirrel. The delivery guy. So awesome. There's even somebody in the window. They're watching It's a Wonderful Life or something. So cool. This is so amazing. It looks like Chevy Chase. Cousin Eddie. The dog food.
Okay, very cool.
A cat chair, that's awesome. We got a little store. The lady from the department store, they got a whole setup here. That's amazing. The RV, they got the churro stand, and they got Clark up there on the sled. This is like the coolest display.
It's really big. So what I did is I took all my contacts.
This is awesome. The house is even yellow after the movie. That's so cool. That's dedication right there. What it takes to put this together, I mean, storing the vehicles and all the mannequins and everything, I mean, this is intense. This is one of the coolest displays, and I drove quite a ways to get up here, but it's definitely worth it. They even have the actor coming on a couple nights, the guy who played the police chief. Yeah, bravo. One of the coolest displays I've ever seen. Definitely the best for theming, and like one of our favorite movies too. I don't know, Margot. This house is amazing. This is one of my favorites. It's got so many little details. This is so cool. I built a deck. This is intense. This is so amazing. Look at all the balls. They even got a deck. Like, this is so cool. Just keeps going.
Look at Mickey.
This is absolutely amazing. Well done. Colorful. Great job with the display. All right, next up is the Holiday Lights on Hague. This one is really good. They do an excellent job of syncing the lights to music, and then in between it's kind of still like this. So they decorate the entire roof and pretty much all the crevices of the house. They also have snowfall.
Yeah. How pretty.
No. So cool.
Just a few minutes.
Really light bulb.
And we're going to be your hosts for this evening.
We're so glad that you're here, and we can't wait for you to see what we have in store.
So without further ado, let's get this show on the road.
Very cool. I am in the Mission Inn in Riverside, California. This is a historic inn that does an amazing job of Christmas decorations and lights. They got over 10 million lights. So the historic Mission Inn dates back to like the late 1800s. It was renovated a couple times in the early 1900s, but generally this area is almost about 150 years old. Now it's a hotel. They do an amazing job with all the Christmas decorations every year. Yeah, it's cool. They do every inch of all these things. Over 10 million lights. And creepy elves.
Stand by the tree.
Does it have an echo? A little bit, huh?
It's too crazy there.
Doubt it.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
Yeah, the kids, like those, you know, I don't think I've only been like once on
I am. They kept walking. I ran over because I had to pee, and then I.
Yeah, all sorts of vendors and stuff. They got extra decorations. It's actually kind of packed. This is the first time I've seen it this packed. So here's a house in Corona, California. Absolutely covered lights, blow-ups. Very cool. I think this is a DIY bow. That's awesome. Goes over the garage driveway. A lot of blow-ups. Just wraps around. Very cool and well done.